everyone, it is Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases. There are 4 kits this week, and I had planned on doing monthlies, but because there are 4 kits, and that is quite a bit, I am going to push the Christmas monthlies till next week. Also, next week will probably be my last week of Christmas releases, as far as I have planned, and I will have our last exclusive art, along with, like I said, the 2 monthlies, and then I have 2 reformats. I wasn't planning on doing any more reformats, but there wasn't as much art being released, and obviously there is now. But I am reformatting Christmas from last year, which was exclusive art, as well as Christmas Party. Like I said, I didn't plan on reformatting those, but I was just like, we need some kits, and I reformatted them. So if you're looking for either of those, they will be reformatted next week. But this week is all new art, and there are some kits that are really throwing me for a loop on my Christmas and winter lineup, because I thought I had everything like under control and kind of planned out in my head, but now I don't. So let's go ahead and get into it. First things first is let's go through the doodles. So I wanted to show you last week's doodles because I forgot them at work, so I just showed you digitals, but I know sometimes it's nicer to see them like in person. So here is 311 through 320, which are currently in the shop, and then I'll move into 321 to 3:30, which will be in the shop Wednesday at noon Eastern. So here are the school buses. There is a pastel version as well as like a classic yellow version. And then there is a tooth icon. These super cute little candles, like Bath and Body Works inspired ones that say Scribble prints go on them. I thought they were so cute. And these will be really cute and like holiday samplers in the future. Then there is a bagel sandwich, because y'all know I love bagels. And then some bread. I've been in the zone making bread, but I thought bread kind of works for a lot of things. Then Kirsten requested this, and they are crab legs. There's a little Game Boy, a lobster roll, and then a Whataburger bag. So those are all in the shop currently. And then these ones will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. So you have grills, so both the pastel version and then like a neutral version. And then there is hair color. So I did a pastel version. So this is just like hair color in a color bowl with a little brush. And then I did like a natural hair colors, even though like natural hair colors normally don't look like this in the bowl, but I thought it was still like a cute idea. And then I also have some like haircut stickers with the hand with the scissors, which remind me of Bree, so cute. And then there are hair straighteners in both pastel and a like classic colorway, hair curlers in a pastel and classic colorway, and then also some cursors. So like mice. Are they mouses? Mices? I don't think we've ever called them mice, but you know what they are. So those are the 10 that were released last week and 10 that are coming this week. I do have a thread on our Facebook group if you want to request any. I just sent over a custom request list of about 40, I think it was 44 or 45 new custom ones. So those were a lot from your guys' ideas. So definitely head over to Facebook and leave me any requests y'all have. And then we also do have the limited edition colorway this week. Y'all have been loving this. Last week was a red, which will still be available the day that this video goes live, in case you want to pick those up. But this is going to be a really pretty like neutral, like evergreen kind of color. So that would be perfect for the season. So it's the same 6 sheets as before. So here's sheet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And they have a variety of different doodles on them in this colorway, and they will only be available through Monday. So that is the color of the week. And then let's go into the foil bundle. This one's so pretty. And I thought I need to have this out for any lingering fall spreads. I totally forgot that we had this. I one day went up and looked at all the foil bundles we have still left to collate and picked out some. I was like the one I think the past 2 or 3 weeks, I was like, y'all might need those for some Halloween spreads. And then this one I was like, you might need some for some fall ones. So this is a really pretty shiny copper with the twinkle format. So let me show you that. So here's the twinkle format. So you have the 6 full boxes and the headers overlays. You have 2 sheets of those. You have 2 sheets of the bougie boxes, a sheet of the icons and the scripts, as well as the bottom washi, the date numbers, the deco, and the fancy headers. And then there is also a matte sampler if you want to add that on. And this is on special pricing, and the matte sheet is only available, and the special pricing is only available through Monday as well, just like the Doodles. Then let's move into the kits. Like I said, there are 4. There are 3 that are kind of Christmas. Well, 3 that are kind of Christmas themed, but like then the one that's kind of Christmas themed could be like also winter, and the other one's winter. So let's just go through them. So the first one here is called Gingerbread, and I am obsessed with this art. I think it is so cute. Jess was actually not going to do a second Christmas kit, and I was really bummed about it. But whenever she sneaked this on Instagram, I was like, oh my goodness. Okay, I've said it once, I've said it twice, I'll say it again. I love dark colored kits with foil. It's just so magical. I think gold, a mixed metal gold and silver, or champagne lights, or even if you want to do something like matte bronze, I think it would look so pretty with this set. And I'm just obsessed. I love the colors. I love the fashion people. I love gingerbread. I love this vibe. There was 2 different color scenes, and I thought the blue was just so beautiful. It just makes me hungry. And I could like smell this kit. You know what I mean? I smell like the evergreen scent, but then you have like the mix of the gingerbread, a little bit of vanilla, a little bit of like hot chocolate smell. Like I smell it all when I look at this kit. So here is the full boxes. All of the kits this week come in mini and ultimate. I'm going to show you all the ultimates. The freebie in both the mini and ultimate for this one is the alternate skin tone for this box, which is included on the washi page in the 3rd skin tone. But I honestly love this box. Like normally the like freebie extra box is not my favorite box, because you know, the full boxes, you just want to have all the most beautifulest ones. But this one is just like, might be my favorite box. Like I don't know what it is about it, but I just think it's just fantastic. I love it. So that is the freebie in the mini and the ultimate. So here is the full box page. You have a tall box here because I just loved the secondary scene of the kitchen, and it is kind of like in the background of some, but I think it needed its full view here. And again, these colors, these patterns, everything about it, I just love, and I'm probably gonna be using this year because I can't not, especially with it being these like darker colors. And I just know that the foil bundle combo with this, like I don't know if I want to do like stars, twinkle, or like just like a chunky, I don't know, or like do something Christmas themed. I don't know. There's options. So here's the bottom washi page. Like I said, it also does come in a mini kit. Same freebie in the mini kit. There is add-ons if you want to add on the 15mm strip, if you want to add on the label sampler, and then also if you want to add on the fashion options. And I just love that kit. I think it's so pretty. Now on the different side of colors, I also am a big fan of a pink moment, y'all know, and also anything luxe. I just think it's so pretty and cute. This is just like hints of luxe, but I also think it's kind of like the theme of the kit is like luxury, like Christmas wish list kind of vibes. So this is a really pretty pink, purple, and like neutral colors, which I think is really fun. I think you could do almost any foil with this. I can see gold going with it. I could see silver going with it. Hollow, lavender, hollow, champagne lights, matte bronze. I feel like any of them would work. Also like a luxe format would be really cool with this. But if you wanted to kind of minimize that, I think a snowflake would be really pretty with it as well, like a silver snowflake. I'm feeling it. So these are the full boxes, super cute. Love the colors. I just love everything about it. I did do 2 different like full box designing sessions on Instagram where I sped them up and put them with the like sneak picture. So I did it for this and the next kit, which the next kit is called Holiday Mail, and then this one is called All I Want for Christmas. So if you want to see how I like put the boxes together, check that out on Instagram. But you guys seem to really love that, so I'll do it every once in a while. Maybe show like different parts too, like doing like the deco page or doing like anything. We'll find some things to do. So here are the full boxes. The freebie and the mini and the ultimate is the alternate skin tone for the washi box, which is a hand that's holding like an iPhone with a Christmas playlist on it, which is so cute. I love that. And you have the like secondary scene in the background there. So here are the full boxes. Here are the extra boxes that come in the ultimate. Again, I think these colors are really pretty, really unique, very like chic. I don't know, I just really love them. And like I said, I think that this would go with a lot of different foil colors, or you could even pull in like a pink or a purple foil. I think that'd be really pretty as well. I do really think matte bronze would be really pretty with this. So like matte bronze, I think that'd be my pick for this. So this has the houndstooth bottom washi, and I just love houndstooth. I think it's just so trendy and cute. So there is the ultimate kit. Again, the same freebie in the mini kit. And then the 15 millimeter strip if you want to add that on. There is the label sampler if you want to add it on, as well as the fashion options, which are so cute. So that is everything for All I Want for Christmas. Then we move into holiday mail, which, like I said, if y'all want to see how I put these full boxes together, definitely check that out on Instagram on the sneak photo. If you swipe over, it'll show you the little sped up video. But I think this is so cute. I love the colorway that Darcy chose in this. Another one that I think would look really pretty with a lot of different foils. I think you could even do like rose. I feel like you could do hollow, gold, silver, mixed metal. Any of the core foils, but I also think it'd be really pretty with like a navy or an olive kind of foil color, or like a brown. There's a lot of options here. I feel like a lot of the kits this week you can go any which way you want, but I'm in love with this. I definitely want to squeeze this in maybe for the week that either I'm baking, or maybe for the week that I'm going to be like sending out a lot of mail, or just because that's usually what happens. But I just think it's so cute. And again, I love the colors. I think it's the green and the blue that do a lot for me. And then obviously the addition of pink, because I love pink. So here are the full boxes. And then the freebie and the mini and the ultimate is this tall box with this fashion person who is so beautiful. I love them all. And I especially love this like pose. It's so cute. I just love everything about it. I love all the kits this week. I just think they're adorable. You have your extra full boxes in the ultimate kit. So you have some packages and then the little mailbox. I just love these colors together. It's just so fun, something different. And I think that you could use this for Christmas. Obviously, you'll see there's holiday box add-ons. There's nothing like super Christmassy about this. Maybe the trees, but also that could just be winter. So you could use this for a holiday, and I'll show you those boxes. But I also think you could just use this in winter, like in January, just for like an anytime kit. Even moving into February, March. I just think it's really, really cute. Or even a birthday would be a really cute one. Yeah, I think that'd be adorable. I love the bottom washi. I love plaid. I love the green and the blue. It's just like, it just really, really did it for me. And then the extra box here, you have the little post truck with the presents in the background, or the packages. So super, super cute. I'm definitely going to have some hard decisions this year. I'm gonna have to really sit and think, but I will be filming that video. I think it'll be up next Friday, picking my Christmas kits, because I will have shown everything and released everything and have everything that I want to debate between home. The foil might change, because with Halloween, like, foil was released afterwards and things like that. And then also I, watch other people's videos and I'm like, oh, they have great ideas. Let me change them. Jess, she's my problem. I watch her video and then I'm like, go change your mind on everything. So here's the 15 millimeter strip if you want to add it on, the label sampler if you want to add it on, the fashion options. And then last but not least, I thought this was so cute. So these are the holiday box add-ons. The artist did include 4 different cards, so you can be inclusive to many holidays. And I kind of tried to theme the colors of the items. They come in different colors, and also some of them like color changed to kind of match the card, but also make the boxes look a little bit different. Some of them have like these both have like the pink bow, but then they have like different envelopes and ribbon colors and things like that, and candy colors. But I just thought this was really cute, and it kind of diversifies the kit and makes it more usable for many people. So I love that. So that is holiday mail. Which, like I said, even if you don't want to use it for a holiday, I still think it's cute for like a winter mail anytime kit. So we love that. Then last but not least, this is so cute. And I think the thing I like about this the most is the scenes. I think the snow is really well done and pretty, and also the colors are really nice. Another one that I feel like could go with basically any foil color. Like if you wanted to do gold, if you wanted to do silver, hollow, sparkly hollow, you could do lavender hollow. It'd be really, really, really pretty with this. But I feel like you can go kind of any way. Or if you had like a matte silver, I think that'd be really pretty. Or like a brown or a purple, a lilac, pink. Like it's just like you do whatever you want, and there's no wrong answer here. Or like a matte taupe would be really pretty as well. But I love this. I love the scenes. I just think that like it looks kind of like hazy, snowy. Like there's just like a look about it, and I love it. and like you can see in the background here and here. It's just like, it's so serene. You could feel how icy it is in the cool, brisk air that I don't get here in Texas, but once a year. But I pretend for winter kids because I just want to pretend that it's winter and I actually have seasons. It's beautiful. I love everything about it. And also I love this like food situation here. It just makes me so hungry. The Ugg boots. The freebie in both the mini and the ultimate is the alternate skin tone for the hands on the washi box. So cute. I love this scene too. I think this is a really pretty scene, and it only was in the box with the hands, but I thought it was adorable. So there it is. You have your full boxes here, which I want to show you before we flip past, that the fashion add-on does have this fashion person here, so you can totally switch these out if you want to, or you can just use the ones included in the kit. You have your boxes over here as extras in the ultimate. You have the birdhouse and the little puppy. And again, love, 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 love these colors. I just think they're so like icy and pretty. And I love this. I don't really know. It's like a linen color almost. Gorgeous. Love it. Love everything about it. And I love the plaid. Y'all know I just love plaid. I'm a fan. I think anything plaid just makes me think of like cozy times. There is a 15mm strip if you want to add it on a label sampler. And then like I showed you before, also a fashion option. So that, my friends, is everything for this week. Again, we have First Snow, which I actually don't know if I said the name of that, but we have First Snow. We have Holiday Mail. We have All I Want for Christmas. We have Gingerbread. We have the Copper Twinkle Foil Bundle, the like Evergreen Color Limited Edition, and then the new Doodles. Like I said, I believe that next week will be kind of the tail end of my Christmas releases. I will be releasing our final exclusive art, 2 reformats, 2 monthlies, and then anything else that comes out in between. But I will keep you posted on Instagram and obviously on next week's new releases. But I hope that you loved everything, and I will talk to you in my next video.